Hello students, on the topic of graphical method, in our textbook, some activities are given. In this video, we will see how to complete these activities. X minus y equal to 1 is the given equation. You can see that the values of x and y are given in the tabular form. In first column, here is x, y and then x, y, that is ordered pair. We consider the second column. In second column, value of x is given 0. We have to find the value of y. So let us find the value of y. So when x is equal to 0, put this value of x in given equation. Therefore, our equation becomes 0 minus y as it is equal to 1. Therefore, minus y is equal to 1. Now multiplying both sides by minus 1. Therefore, value of y is minus 1. Okay. Now write this value of y in first column. That is, value of y is minus 1. And ordered pair is 0, minus 1. 0 and minus 1. Now consider the third column. In third column, value of y is given 0. We have to find the value of x. So when y is equal to 0, put this value of y in given equation. Therefore, x minus 0, value of y is 0, equal sign as it is, 1 as it is. Therefore, equation become x equal to 1. Put this value of x in third column, that is 1. Therefore, our solution is 1 and 0. Now consider the fourth column. In fourth column, value of x is given 3. We have to find the value of y. Therefore, when x equal to 3, put this value of x in given equation. Equation become, we write 3 at the place of x. Therefore, 3 minus y equal to 1 as it is. Now transpose minus y to right side and 1 to left side. Therefore, minus y become plus y and 1 become minus 1. Therefore, equation can be written as 3 minus 1 equal to y. 3 minus 1 gives us 2 equal to y. Therefore, y is equal to 2. Write this value of y in given box in fourth column. Therefore, solution is 3 and 2. Now in last column, value of y is minus 3. Therefore, when y is equal to minus 3, put this value of y in given equation. Therefore, equation become x as it is, minus sign as it is, value of y is minus 3 equal to 1 as it is, x as it is, minus minus plus 3 as it is equal to 1. Therefore, x transpose 3 to right side. Therefore, 1 plus 3 can be written as minus 3. Value of x is minus 2. Write this value of x in last column, that is minus 2. Our solution is minus 2 and minus 3. In this way, we have completed the given activity. Now let us try to complete the second activity. Here 5x minus 3y equal to 1 is the given equation. We consider the second column. Value of x is 2. We have to find the value of y. So when x equal to 2, put this value of x in given equation. Therefore equation become 5 into x. Value of x is 2. Therefore I put the value of x minus 3y as it is equal 1 as it is. 5 to the 10 minus 3y as it is equal to 1. Now transpose 3y to right side and 1 to left side. Therefore equation become 10. After 1 transposing to left side, 1 can be written as minus 1 and minus 3y can be written as plus 3y. Therefore 10 minus 1 gives us 9 equal to 3y. Transpose 3 to left side. Therefore y equal to 9 upon 3. Therefore y is equal to 3 3 is 9. Put this value of y in second column. That is value of y is 3. Our solution is 2 and 3. In third column, value of y is given as 8. Therefore we have to find the value of x. Now when y equal to 8, put this value of y in given equation. 5x as it is minus sign as it is 3 into y. Value of y is 8 equal to 1. 5x 8 3s are 24 plus minus minus 24 equal to 1. 5x transpose minus 24 to right side. Therefore 1 plus 24. 1 plus 24 gives us 25. Therefore x equal to 25 upon 5. 5 transpose to right side. Therefore value of x is 5 5s are 25. Value of x is 5. Put this value of x in third column. Our solution is 5 and 8. Now consider the fourth column. In fourth column, value of y is minus 2. Put this value of y to find the value of x. When y is equal to minus 2, our equation become 5x minus 3 into y. Value of y is minus 2 equal to 1. 5x minus minus plus 3 to the 6 equal to 1. 5x transpose 6 to right side. Therefore 1 minus 6. 5x equal to 1 minus 6 gives us minus 5. Therefore x equal to minus 5 upon 5. That is 5 is transposed to right side. Therefore minus 5 upon 5. Therefore x equal to minus 1. 5 ones are 5. Now consider the last column. In last column, value of x is minus 4. Therefore when x is equal to minus 4, put this value of x in given equation. Therefore equation become 5 into x. Value of x is minus 4. Remaining part will be as it is. Minus 3y equal to 1. 5 4s are 20 plus minus 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 3y equal to 1. Minus 20 as it is. Transpose minus 3y to right side and 1 to left side. Therefore 1 can be written as minus 1 and minus 3y can be written as plus 3y. Minus 20 minus 1 gives us minus 21 equal to 3y. Therefore, transpose 3 to left side. Therefore, y is equal to minus 21 upon 3. Y is equal to 3 7s are 21. 21 has minus sign. Therefore, 7 has minus sign. Write this value of y in last column. Therefore, y is minus 7. Here put this value of x in fourth column, that is minus 1. Our solution is minus 1 and minus 2. Here our solution is minus 4 and minus 7. Here our second activity is completed. Now practice set 1.2. Complete the following table to draw the graph of the equation. Here is the given equation, x plus y equal to 3. Let us we complete this activity. Now consider the second column. In second column, value of x is given as 3 and solution is given 3 and 0. So it becomes much easy for us because first value denote the value of x and second value denote the value of y. So here value of x is 3. Therefore the second value will be value of y. So put here value of y. Here again you can see that the value of y is given as 3 and solution is 0 and 3. First value denote the value of x and second value denote the value of y. Therefore put this value of x. Now consider the third column. Value of y is 5. Therefore when y is equal to 5, put this value of y in given equation. X is as it is plus value of y is 5 equal to 3. Therefore x equal to transpose 5 to right side. Therefore x equal to 3 as it is plus 5 becomes minus 5. Therefore x equal to 3 minus 5 gives us minus 2. Because 5 minus 3 gives us 2 and greater number has minus sign. Therefore 2 has minus sign. Now for last column, value of x is 2. When x is 2, put this value of 2 in given equation. Therefore 2 plus y equal to 3. Y equal to transpose 2 to right side. Therefore 3 plus 2 can be written as minus 2. Y equal to 3 minus 2 gives us 1. Y equal to 1. Now write this value of y in last column. Our solution is 2 and 1. Here value of x is minus 2. Therefore our solution is minus 2 and 5. So here this activity is also completed. Now you try to complete this activity. X minus y equal to 4. Okay.